I run Mad Scientist. Today for Mad Scientist, we're gonna be making cat houses to keep outside to keep our cats warm this winter. Stick around at the end of the video where I'll ask you a question and then answer the question. The main things that you'll need to build your cat house is a tote that you got in your kit this week, a cardboard box big enough to fit inside of the tote, and then any type of insulation. Here I'm using old blankets. So the first step is to cut a hole in the tote. So that's what I did already. And then you're gonna want to cut a hole in your cardboard box, also the same size as the hole in the tote. As you see, the cardboard box lays a little bit too low, so we're gonna put some blankets underneath to make it sit up a little bit more. And then we're gonna tape the box in place. Now we're gonna fill all around the box with blankets or whatever insulation you're using. This is what your cat house may look like. The question for this video is, do you have any pets? Comment down your answer.
Oh, yeah, hey.